Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion and welcome back to another video. We are going to get a ton of cleaning done. Today we are going to clean the bathroom and I'm also going to do some organizing. There's this cute bathroom organizer that I bought. You will see it later in the video as I do the organizing part. I am going to wash the walls and scrub the floor. So I'm just showing you around so that you can have an idea of what I will be doing. And these are the cleaning supplies that I'm going to be using. I have scouring powder, some disinfectant, some glass cleaner, tile cleaner, and lead cleaner. So keep watching. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please like and consider subscribing. So I'll start by soaking the toilet so that I can scrub it much later. For the floor and the walls, I am going to use the Serrazzo tile cleaner. It does an amazing job. And I'm also wearing those gloves because some of these cleaning products have harsh chemicals on our hands. That's why I'm wearing those gloves, and I'm scrubbing with a scouring pad to remove watermarks and scum that's brought by excessive use of salty water.
I'll never mistake the way you give me my faith. My body feels safe in your hands. Feel me fully face. I'm light as a fire that don't let me escape. The stars still remember the fall to
So now I want to install this bathroom organizer that I had told you about. I bought it from a shop in town. It's quite affordable and I really like it.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So this is the final outcome. The floor and the walls are really very clean, and this organizer here has really transformed this space. It's super tidy now. The stuff that I had placed on the window are now nicely arranged here. So the shower gels, shampoos, all are here, and I'm really loving the outcome. And I also got an over-the-door hanger. I'm going to be using it for our showering gloves and face towels.
Never find and what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get
On this sink area, I wiped the mirror with a glass cleaner and washed the sink with some scouring powder.
hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
And after cleaning, it was time for our 4 o'clock snack. And today we are doing smoky pasua. They really slap. They're one of the yummiest things that I've come to love. And I'll be taking some coffee, and the kids will be taking some hot
That won't
chocolate.
be forgotten. Forever, forever.
I also decided to make some dinner rolls. And here I used 1.5 cups milk, 6 tablespoon butter, 1.5 tablespoon yeast, a third cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 4 cups of flour. And I baked them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they got this golden color, and they are very easy to make. I mixed the ingredients off camera, but the next time I'm making them, we'll do it together step by step. So here they are just hot from the oven, and I'm just brushing them with butter to give them some shine.
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the nights we always said would be.
We went for some grocery shopping, and these are the items that I got. We have salt. This is some chicken. This is beef. I bought some spices. This is vanilla for baking. When we start baking, sugar, some green grams, indomie for the kids, some juice, tea leaves. I also bought some beef brown, and these things have become quite expensive. by the way, and some sausages. What are those called? Smokies, some yogurt for the kids. Also, I bought some Vaseline. I buy a lot because they have a way of disappearing around the house. We bought some Royco here. So these are for our breakfast. Then I bought some flour, maize flour. Then these are milk. This is milk. I bought. I usually buy these small ones for the kids to take as snack. And I bought 2 boxes. Then on this other far end, oh my gosh, I also bought some 2 cartons of milk, and I divided the whole into two. The first batch was the foodstuffs, and these other ones are the toiletries. So that is what we got from the supermarket today, and we thank God for provision.